Hello guys, welcome to Ini Mini Kids TV. So today I am going to draw a duck. So grab your pens, pencils, sheet of paper and let's start drawing. So now I am making the wings of my duck, and this is the neck and the wing part, feathers, wings. Now I am going to draw the beak of my duck. It's very super duper easy. If you want, you can draw with me, and if you are not able to draw, you can always pause the video and watch it again. If you want more video tutorial on this, I would be making them soon. You can always follow me on Instagram. My ID is given below, and you can just DM me if you want me to make the tutorials of these kind of videos, slow tutorials which you can do along with me. So I hope you all like drawing. So right now I'm drawing a duck. So can anyone tell me what is the color of the duck? Okay, so we are not going to do the yellow color today. I'm going to use something different. So now the leg part of the duck is also done, and soon we will be doing the coloring part. So first I am going to do the color of the eye. I am using my black pen or sketch pen only. You can use the brush pen, normal sketch pens or oil pastel color, whichever you want to do. So now I am going to do the leg part, that is of yellow color, and in beak I am going to use a slightly yellow and then orange color. If you want, you can do the full beak as yellow or orange, whichever you want. For tongue part, I would be doing the pink color. I am using brush pen. You can use normal pens also. So now for body, here I have used the dark grey color, and I am going to outline the full body with the dark grey color. Wherever you can see the black pen, I am going to use this color just to highlight it. So far, if you are liking my video, then please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and do press the bell icon. Now after completing this outline, I am going to use a light grey color. So I am using the color of stick pens. It's a little thick like a marker, and now we are going to do the strokes. So what I am doing is I am just putting small slanting lines. It will give you the impression of feathers. You can do along with me. I really hope you like my videos. If you want me to draw something different, then please follow me on Instagram and you can connect with me directly. Your suggestions are always welcome. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.